Good morning, everyone. I hope everyone had a great day yesterday. However, this morning I want to talk about the video you watched yesterday from Nomads to Farmers, and I want to go over the questions. Number one says, why did the ancient Samaritans look for new ways to produce their food? Well, hunting animals and gathering fruits and vegetables did not always supply enough food. Number two, how did growing crops of wheat and domesticating animals such as sheep and goats allowed the Samaritans to build cities and live in one place all year long? They did not have to travel constantly to find new sources of food. Number three, what does the word Mesopotamia mean? It means the land between two rivers. Number four, between which rivers did Mesopotamia lie? The Tigris and the Euphrates. Number five, why did the soil of the Mesopotamian region of summer grow such good crops? Yearly flooding washed rich soil down from the mountains. Number six, what problem at first made farming difficult there, and how did the Samaritans solve it? Well, the problem was not knowing when it would flood, and how they solved it is they built levees. Number seven, in what other ways did the Samaritans control the rivers? They built gated ditches for irrigation. Number eight, what important farming tool did the Samaritans invent? They invented the plow. Number nine, what else did the Mesopotamians invent? Well, they invented the wheel, the calendar, and a form of writing. Number 10, what tools did they use for writing? They used stylus, which was used to imprint characters on wet clay tablets. Number 11, what do we call their style of writing? Their style was known as cuneiform. Number 12, what did the Samaritans put into writing before any other societies? Well, they put laws in place. Number 13, what was a ziggurat? Well, it was a temple where they believed their gods lived. Number 14, Samaritans' houses were made of what material? They were made out of mud bricks. Now, on number 15, we wanted you to just identify at least 5 people you saw or heard mentioned in the video. This probably varied from person to person. I heard or saw student, king, priest, farmer, potter, slave, fisherman, merchant, scribe, musician, taxman, trader, and brewer. You may or not